Today we're making a cafe-style homemade iced chocolate coffee topped with creamy ice cream. This summer drink combines chocolate, whipped coffee, cold milk and ice cream into one delicious beverage. Start by chopping some chocolate. You can use as much or as little as you like, but around 200 grams is a great starting point. Melt the chocolate, then stir in 1 teaspoon of instant coffee until smooth and well combined. Transfer the chocolate mixture into a piping bag and drizzle it around the inside walls of your serving glass. Add as much or as little as you like to create a chocolate pattern. Next, prepare the whipped coffee. In a bowl, combine 4 tablespoons of caster sugar, 3 tablespoons of instant coffee, and 3 tablespoons of hot water. Using a hand mixer or electric whisk, beat the mixture until it becomes thick, pale, and fluffy. If you've made Dalgona coffee before, this step will feel very familiar. Fill your prepared glass about 1/3 full with ice cubes. Spoon in the whipped coffee until the glass is about 2/3 full or 3/4 full if you prefer a stronger coffee flavor. Pour in cold milk until the glass is 1/3 or halfway full. Leave enough room for the topping. Finish by adding a generous scoop of vanilla ice cream or substitute it with whipped cream if you prefer that. Spoon a little more whipped coffee over the top and garnish with a dusting of coffee powder or some grated chocolate for the perfect cafe-style finish. And there you have it, a rich and refreshing homemade iced chocolate coffee topped with creamy ice cream. It's the perfect cafe-style drink for hot summer days, and it's so easy to make at home. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more delicious drinks and desserts, and let me know your favorite coffee order in the comments down below.